Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Adam, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. How to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can still make great progress with the right daily habits. Many people believe they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well. But that is not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker sitting next to you. You don't need to study for long hours every night. What you really need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat, steps that fit into your daily life, and steps that help you feel more comfortable, more relaxed, and more confident using English.
So, let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you have heard this word before, shadowing. Maybe it's completely new to you. Either way, shadowing is one of the best techniques in the world to improve both your speaking and your listening at the same time. It is simple, practical, and extremely powerful. Here is how shadowing works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop, you don't pause to translate in your mind, you don't check a dictionary. You simply follow the sound, like an echo. You try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone and the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. That's it. That is shadowing.
At first, it feels a little strange. You may feel unsure. You may not understand everything you hear, and that is completely okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every single word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it flows, how it moves, and how it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small daily habit that produces big, powerful results over time. Now let's talk about the main question. How can you practice English every single day? Many students tell me, Adam, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You just need to begin. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every single day, in your real life, wherever you are.
Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Every single day. Not once a week, not only during class, every day. Listening helps you learn new words naturally. It helps you hear the real rhythm and music of English. It trains your ears to understand faster, and it helps you get used to how real people speak, not just the slow, perfect English you find in textbooks. So, how can you do it? You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can listen to English music. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can listen to short stories or English news for learners. You don't need to understand 100%. You don't even need to understand 80%. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it is still useful. You can listen while you walk, while you clean your room, while you cook, while you exercise, or even while you relax. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a real difference. Make English your background music.
Tip number 2, shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking is how you grow strong. After you listen to a sentence or a short part of audio, repeat it. Copy the voice, match the rhythm, follow the tone. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I'm improving little by little. Repeat. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You will quickly notice that your speaking becomes smoother, your pronunciation becomes clearer, and you feel more confident. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip number 3, think in English, one thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make. At first, it feels difficult. You want to translate everything from your native language, but translation slows you down. Translation creates hesitation, and hesitation makes speaking harder. So how do we begin thinking in English? Start with short, simple sentences. Say them in your mind. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. When you go outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. During your day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These small thoughts help your brain connect directly to English with no translation and no delay. Later, try saying them out loud. It becomes a daily conversation with yourself in English.
Tip number 4, read aloud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is even better. It forces your mouth, your tongue, and your brain to work together in English. Choose short, simple texts, children's books, stories for beginners, dialogues from videos or podcasts. Read slowly and clearly. Then read a little faster. Then read with more expression. Imagine you are an actor. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. It's like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles. Tip number 5, use English in your daily life. If you want to speak English well, you should not only study English, you should live with English. English should not be something you do for 30 minutes on Monday night. It should not only happen in your classroom or your study book. It should become part of your real, everyday life, just like your morning coffee or your favorite app. Here are some easy ways to do this. Change your phone settings to English. Write a short diary in English every day, just 3 simple sentences. Record a 1-minute voice message every day. Join an English-speaking group online. Watch short videos and repeat the sentences. Use English for your lists and reminders. Say, "Good morning" in English. These small actions create strong habits, and strong habits create confident English speakers. When you do this, English stops feeling like homework. It becomes something you live with. And that is where real fluency begins. See you next time.